Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a notification about faster route options on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page and click on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings. Click on Notifications within the General section, that's the third option. Scroll down until you can find the Faster Route Found option, so click on it and tap on this button in the upper right corner of the screen to enable this feature. And once it is enabled, you can turn on the sound notification by tapping on the second button on the right side, and below you can also set the sound alert or the alert sound, and here you have the options. Click on the relevant one that you would like to choose and then it will be updated automatically. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.